Hey guys, welcome back to Hfoschool quick class. This quick class topic will be on Venezuela unofficially converting from their currency to the dollar. They unofficially converted from their currency to the US dollar. Why this is a teachable moment is because that is a result and a byproduct of their economy crashing. So if they're not, we're going to look at it from a perspective of ourselves. So we're going through a worldwide pandemic, and our economy here in America is not stable. So if we don't stay competitive with our economy and with our currency, we could face a similar fate as Venezuela. So that's why this is a teachable moment. No fear-monger stuff. It's just Venezuela's currency, due to their economy crash, could not keep up with the average competitive nations. Therefore, they had to convert to the US dollar to suffice for the merchandise and retail sales. That's quick class for today, guys. Thank you for stopping by at Hfoschool. Until next time.